Hi, this is Myrna from A Quilter's Choice located in Highlands Ranch, Colorado. Did you know if your thread is jumping off of your thread break sensor wheel, wrap it around it a few more times. On mine, I think I have it wrapped about 4 times. Yes, we say wrap it 2 times, but if it's jumping off, that will put more tension on the pull of your thread and keep it from jumping off the back. Now, when you do that, you're going to have to adjust your tension here. Remember, every time you go through a thread guide or around this wheel, it tightens your thread. So when you get down here, you will need to back this off a little bit. Now, depending on how much or how many times you wrap it as to how many times you'll have to back this off. But just pull it off your quilt and test it. By changing this and changing this a little bit for this purpose, you're not going to have to change your bobbin tension. That's not going to change at all. Just remember, if it's jumping off, wrap it another time or two and back this off a little bit.